Hello researchers, let's organize our research draft. For this, I deleted science.txt file and right now I am recreating it. New LaTeX file, science.direct. Let's understand the architecture of the LaTeX document. First of all, there is a document class and 11 is the font size and article mean we are going to write the article. There are many options like thesis option and article options, book options, conference options and other options are also available. Right now we are working on the article. And this section is our document section where we will write our research draft. So let's start. In LaTeX, the first heading is section. Okay, like we can say that it is country. The second heading is subsection, is state. For the third level heading, subsection, and here city. Okay, let's run it out. Okay, researchers, you must have to see this line, process finished with exit code 0. If there will be an error, then you must have here 1 or any other code, but not 0. So if you have 0, then your code will be run accurately, and let's see the output. So this is first level heading and second level heading and the third level heading. The same goes if we want another section and like that. So it will be increasingly like that. This is our first chapter, second chapter, and it will continue to the third chapter and fourth chapter. It may be your introduction, like we say that introduction. This is your literature. And one more chapter we have add. This is our methodology. Introduction, literature, and methodology, and the same goes on. Okay. Before the begin document, we can define the title. Any tag of the LaTeX is starting with this slash, and we will write title, and we can say that title is introduction to LaTeX document. Okay, let's run it out. And in front of us there is no title because we need another tag to show this title. We need a tag make title. If you will include it, then the title will show. Yes, the introduction to the LaTeX document, the date is August 31st and 2024. So the title will be shown on this document. If I want to add the authors, suppose, sorry. So this is the author, this is our title, and this is the date. This is our first chapter, second chapter, third chapter, and so on, right? And if I want to add the abstract, so it will start from the begin and like that, abstract. Okay. So here our abstract. uh, just a minute. Yes, this is our abstract. Actually, we have to display the title before abstract. So here make title. Uh, this is our abstract section. This is our first chapter. This is our second chapter, and so on. Like that, it is. You see that you can see that our document is become like this. So researchers, I added some random data to my research draft, and let's see how it displays. Yes, this is abstract. This is my introduction, and but I need my article in 2 columns. So I will define here a document class will be 2 column. Let's run it out. Now you can see that our document is like in 2 column. This is our abstract, introduction, and like this. How easy it is. Okay, researchers, when you will write your research draft, it will be too difficult to manage the whole article in this LaTeX file. Okay, for this, we will divide the chapters. Right click, new directory. I can say that chapters. And in chapters, new LaTeX file, I can say that introduction. Okay, next LaTeX file, and this is my literature. Okay, I can also write my abstract here, new LaTeX abstract. So we have created abstract .ex, literature.ex, and introduction.ex. What I will do, I will just take this abstract section, Control X, and paste it here. Delete the previous content like that. I am deleted the previous content and paste my this content. Okay. After that, I am coming to the introduction section. This is my introduction section. Control X and Control A. I deleted the introduction section, the auto-generated text, and I will paste my introduction to this introduction.ex file, and I am closing it also. And finally, I am adding the methodology section. Here I will also create the methodology. Okay. Now my document is empty now. Let's run it out. There is nothing, just we have the title. Okay. And from this document, we create the chapter directory, and in chapter there is an abstract, introduction, literature, and methodology. Only one thing we have to do, just input, sorry, forward slash input and chapters and like abstract. So all the information, all the data will come here. Okay. Now I am running it. This is our abstract. So there will be no mess to manage your data. Okay. The same goes for the chapters, introduction, and finally we have input and chapters and methodology. Okay. So I am running this. See, all the information coming from those file to our main file. So you just need to this section. If you have to change the abstract, just go to the abstract section and just manage your abstract here. For the introduction, you can go to there and manage your introduction. I change here. I am going to here and write my name. So this is my name. Okay, so this is very easy to manage our main file, and that is sciencedirect.txt file, and our chapters we can divide this chapter. Okay researchers, see you in the next video. Thank you.